You walk into a store with 100s. You can either buy your favorite pizza or a new pair of earphones on discount. You want both, but you can only choose one. Welcome to economics. Today's topic, part of our Economic Fundamentals and Core Concepts series, will explain why we can't have everything we want. Scarcity and opportunity cost, two ideas that shape every choice we make, from shopping to policy making. This is episode 4 in our Fundamentals and Core Concepts series. Don't forget, the full economics playlist is linked in the video description below. Let's start with the basics. What is scarcity? Scarcity means that resources are limited, but our wants are unlimited. There's not enough land, time, money, oil, water, or labor to satisfy everyone's needs, so we're forced to make choices. Even the richest person can't buy everything or be everywhere. Governments have to choose between building roads or funding healthcare. Students choose between studying economics or computer science. This leads us to the next big idea. What is opportunity cost? Every time you choose one thing, you give up something else. Opportunity cost is the value of the next best alternative you give up when making a choice. Example, you have 100. You buy pizza. The opportunity cost, the earphones you couldn't buy. Another example, you spend an hour watching Netflix. Your opportunity cost, that hour you could have used to study or earn money. Every decision you make, big or small, has a hidden cost. Let's scale it up. Governments and businesses. A government spends on defense. Opportunity cost is schools or hospitals. A business invests in advertising. Opportunity cost is product development. Even during COVID-19, countries had to choose between strict lockdowns, saving lives, versus open economies, saving jobs. There's no perfect answer, but opportunity cost helps us understand what's sacrificed. Famous quote, "The cost of something is what you give up to get it." Gregory Mankiw, famous economist. This one sentence sums up why opportunity cost is the backbone of economic thinking. Why this matters to you. If you're a student, this helps you study smarter, not harder. If you're a future entrepreneur, this teaches you how to invest wisely. If you're just curious about life, you'll start making conscious, thoughtful choices. Once you understand opportunity cost, you stop saying, "I can't afford it," and start asking, "What am I giving up to get this?" What's coming next? Next up in our series, elasticity of demand and supply, why price doesn't always change what we buy. Subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and follow our full economics playlist in the description below. This is the Learning Studio, where knowledge meets animation and economics becomes easy to love.